Hi guys, welcome back to Everything Automotive. Today's video is on Coilover install for the WRX, so we're going to be doing that shortly. I've purchased some Meister R damping adjustment coilovers, so they're supposed to be quite good. I bought these off eBay. Some guy was selling them brand new, never used. I think they're about $850, $900 in the shops. So I got a big bargain for 500 quid, which wasn't too bad. So let's hope they fit. So I've done my research and the model number tallies up to a WRX, which is the right fitment. So I'm going to try and show you the best I can. Looking at it quickly, it looks like everything on this car is going to be seized up. So I've done the old WD-40, left it overnight. So let's see how hard it is. Other than that, after the install, you're going to need to do the alignment, which I'll let you guys know. I'll probably do a video on that when they do it, a quick brief one. So I'll show you as much as I can, before and after shots. So yeah, see you in a bit, guys. Right guys, that's driver side one done. Sorry about lighting. It's not the greatest, although I did have my lights put in today. But I haven't positioned the car correctly. So, as you can see, that's all in. Obviously it's going to need to be aligned, camber bolts out of place. I've noticed that the brake lines are slightly cracked. So I'll be doing the braided brake lines on it, changing these calipers. Just noticed, right, these calipers, they said WRX Pro. The original Subaru ones, they just say WRX. This is a cheap Chinese copy, which I have no idea why anybody would put that on this car. They have a common fault of seizing, so I'm guessing that's why. So anyway, they'll be going, probably get some Brembos or something. All right, on to the next one, guys. Might not video it, I'm just going to crack on with it, but I'll show you an overall height adjustment once everything's in place. All right, guys, so I've just completed a coilover install, front and back. Oh, mate, this I think it had the original suspension on the car. Every single bolt was just corroded, seized. I'll show you guys something in a minute, which I wasn't happy about. But right, okay. Fronts are damping adjustment and camber adjustment, so I'm going to let the shop do that. I think minus is less soft, plus is harder. So it's not sitting too bad at the moment. As you can see, I've got minimum room in my garage, so I'd say it's probably half the height of what it was. Let's take you over to the back there. As you can see, that's not too bad either. I'm just going to see how it drives. I'm going to take it for a test drive in a minute. Obviously I had to strip all the seats out. So that's the coilover bit at the back. Just damper adjustments on the back. Obviously I don't think you can do much with the cambers on these at the back. So I'll be putting everything back shortly after I'm happy with the test drive. Right, so here we have it, guys. These are supposed to be quite good coilovers. So let's see, I'll give you my verdict in a little while once I do the test drive. Cheers guys, see you in a bit. So, you know I said I'll show you guys something. this came off the rear side of the car, passenger side rear bottom shock bolt. You'd probably think, oh, it was seized and I've tried to hack it apart. Nope. This is how it came on the car. Yeah, look at that. So no idea how that was like that. That was welded to that, so I had to cut it off. But yeah, shocking. But yeah, it's all replaced with new bolts. It's going in for alignment tomorrow. I've just taken it for a drive. All seems well. No knocks, no bangs. That knocking I had on the back with the old suspension is all gone. I'm going to get them to set the height, align it all up and put the new XXRs on. So I'll do a quick brief video of that tomorrow morning once I go there. And yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Thanks a lot, and please subscribe and like, and I'll see you soon.